I love the look and feel of a close shave. The problem is my skin doesn't always agree. It's sensitive, so shaving often leaves it feeling uncomfortable, red, and irritated. So not the look I'm going for. What I want is a shaver that takes care of my skin, but gives me the close shave I like.
Our research shows that the main cause of shaving irritation and redness is friction from the shaver going over the same area on the skin again and again. To tackle this problem, we developed the Philips Shaver Series 7000 with comfort rings that have special anti-friction coating. It contains thousands of powder-like beads, giving the rings a smooth surface that lets the shaver easily glide over the skin. Shaving is made comfortable and effective for sensitive skin. The gentle precision blades have been engineered to cut the hairs carefully while protecting the skin for a close, skin-friendly shave. The head can flex in 5 different directions, following the curves of the face for added comfort.
With the Philips Shaver Series 7000, I can shave dry or wet with gel or foam, so much more comfortably. To clean my shaver, all I do is pop it into this Smart Clean unit. It really helps to keep my shaver like new. I can use it for my full facial routine too, to style, trim, and cleanse my skin. It's got this smart click system that I can use to attach the cleansing brush. I use it with my facial wash to thoroughly clean my skin. I love how it leaves my skin feeling smooth and looking healthy. For shaving down from longer stubble, I use the beard styler to pre-trim. This way my shave is more comfortable on my skin. Pretty good, eh? This shaver gives me exactly what my sensitive skin needs. A smooth, comfortable shave. Anyway, enough of all that. I've got the rest of my day to get on with.